Hi guys, it's Harvey from All Parts Paul and Spot. Today I got an excellent question, and a man he actually even sent me a video. We're gonna play the video. Number one, when he shows up, watch out for the temperature. My other YouTubes, read and understand your manual. Water anything below 66 degrees or anything else like that it really makes the heat exchanger really sweat. So until that heat exchanger fully warms up, that thing can make some funky noise for a while. The other thing is, and I'll show you later, I'll stop it and pause it. Sometimes where the heat comes out, this little vent that stops the rain from forming. Sometimes the screws loosen up and there's harmonics happen. So that's his two problems. His main one is the heat exchangers rattling because the water is just too cold. We're going to roll the tape. I'm going to stop it and point out a couple of things. But this is a good thing. Really nothing to worry about. It seems like he's got excellent water flow, but it scared him, which normally it would. Here we go.
Put it on. The blower starts. See that being is word. The blower just went on.
All right, that whining you're hearing is the cold water rushing through this hot flame, okay? And it's vibrating the tubes. All right, that's all it is, because if you saw this water temperature, it's way too cold, and she's starting to sweat and vibrate. But you'll hear another noise, and I think it's coming from here. But we're going to stop and listen.
You hear the whining noise.
That, you hear that vibrating noise, that metal noise? Let me go through and I can show you where that is.
Everything stays on. No other lights.
All right, that is coming from this grill. It's causing harmonics. All right, so he's got a double fold problem. Number one, the water's too warm, and number two, this grill is vibrating. More than likely, the one problem he could fix by taking this grill off, making sure that it stopped, and then possibly caulking it in. You know, we'll put better screws in or more screws. And we're going to play it again so you all can listen to it again. So that's the two problems. The water is just too bloody cold. It was 65 degrees. All right, she's sweating. So she's doing a harmonic whistle through the heat exchanger. And this right here, she's just vibrating. I'll play it again and I'll shut up, and so you guys listen.
The noise stay there. Okay, so we'll put it on. The blower starts.
$65 degrees.
Being
All right. So anyway, his heat exchanger is vibrating due to water being cold. It's a 333, 333,000 BTU unit trying to heat that. And the main culprit of his noise is this outside jacket. It's just vibrating. Metal against metal. I see it all the time. Sometimes you can do it by just tightening up the screws. Sometimes you can put in more screws. Sometimes you take it out. Just use regular heat temperature red silicone caulking and just caulk it in and set it in there and makes your noise go away. All right? All right, guys? Excellent video. Excellent question. So I hope it answered his question. All right, guys. Thanks.